This is Freshpet on the monthly chart. And what are my eyes gravitating to? Pivot, 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 buyers, pivot, previous highs. So $40 becomes a level of interest. Look at price, go up and to the left. Pivot, pivot, previous monthly demand. Flip zone. Eyes gravitate to the 110 level. Okay, let's scroll down to the weekly chart. We have closes above this pivot high. So this leg higher still valid. You have a little area of interest at $94 on huge volume. All right, before we drill down to the daily chart, let's look at this article. It is coming from Finance, Yahoo Finance, by way of the Motley Fool. Why Freshpet stock was up 22% in December. So shares of the food company Freshpet was up 22% according to S&P Global Market Intelligence. The company didn't have news to report during the month, but Wall Street had plenty to say. So you had a couple of analysts come out with buys within the same short period. Now, prices move based on news. So-called experts who rate the stocks is a key catalyst for price moving up or down, as it gives investors confidence. And that's what happened in December. You had analysts from TD Cowen, Wells Fargo, and D.A. Davidson all recommend buys for the stock. Now, Freshpet is an ambitious idea. It's not easy to prepare pet food from fresh ingredients and get it into customers' hands before it goes bad. It requires manufacturing, distribution, scale to have any chance of being successful, but the company is increasingly proving to investors that it's up to the task. Financial results for the third quarter of 2023 were reported back in November, so they didn't directly impact Freshpet's stock price in December. However, Q3 results showed a lot of promising things. Specifically, net sales are still growing like crazy, up 33% year over year in Q3. Moreover, the company's cash from operations is reaching record highs. That's important. You need cash to fund operations. And as you can see from the graph, you have revenue moving higher. Cash from operations was flat, went down as interest rates went up, and now is starting to move higher. This combination shows Freshpet becoming more financially successful with greater scale. That's a good reason for investors, and it's unsurprising that Wall Street increasingly praised the company in December after letting these developments marinate for a bit. All right. So for me, this $93 level is a level to pay attention to. You do have basing before potentially the next leg higher. Let's scroll down to the daily chart. Do have a little level of interest at $76. A rallying price, two basing candles that rally out, eventually taking out the pivot high to the left. So this $76 level, structurally okay, volume not okay. So potentially here's the setup. Daily buyers, 76. If you get a pullback, the chart suggests one can go long down to $76 with a target at $94. The second target becomes this support resistance band at the 110 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.